Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about the Caterpillar two type of model engine C4.4 and C6.6 industrial engine electronic application installation guide of the ECU controller, and we are explaining the complete pin out and pin in of the ECM, sensor wiring, injector wiring and starting circuit, main ECM relay, all in this videos. Don't skip each part of this videos. Before starting the video, a small request to all newcomers: if you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe and also don't forget to hit the bell notification and select the all to getting latest video in first. So let's get started. First of all, I want to move to the open the wiring diagram of the base engine. As you can see, this is our injectors. This is the complete block diagram of the each components which is connected with the ECM. As you can see, injectors, and also we have the fuel pump, and we have sensors, cool temperature, oil pressure, pump cam speed timing and crank speed timing. Okay, and the right side, as you can see, fuel rail pressures, intake manifold temperature, intake manifold pressure, and wastegate regulator. Okay, ECM have two connector, as you can see, J1 and J2. Okay, so let me explain each connector further in a detail. As you can see on the top side, as you can see, A4E2 ECU J2 connectors. Okay, J2 connectors, we have these pin, as you can see, this one. First of all, we are going to start from the top. Okay, from the top, as you can see, these symbols all over the injector in order from 1 to 6 cylinder. This diagram is especially for the C6.6 engine. Okay, as you can see, pin number 6, 62, 7 and 63. Okay, and then 8, 64, 33 and 59 and 34, 58 and 35, 57. Okay, these all going to the injector. Each injector have two wires, one is ground and one is the controlled through the ECM. Okay, actually ECM on and off sending pulse through the ground side, okay, of the injector. Okay, as you can see, pin number 6 returns. The all returns means this is the ground side of the each injector. Okay, pin number 6 is return of the injector number 6, and pin 7 is return of the injector number 5, and also the injector number 4, pin number 8, and also the injector number 3, pin 33, and also the injector number 2, pin 34, and also the injector number 1 is pin 35. This is all the return. And 57, 58, 59, 63, 62, this is all the injector cylinder numbers, as you can see, and also the main positive wire, okay, of the ECM. You can take the screenshot of this diagram for the your Caterpillar 6.6. okay, the downside, as you can see, we have IMP power supply, 5 volt IMP return, IMP signal. This IMP is going to the intake manifold pressure sensor. Okay, and also we have the oil pressure sensor from the pin 47, 39 and 56. Okay, also wiring color code is mentioned with L730 orange. Okay, Y947 is brown and 994 is gray. Okay, also like that. Okay, we have the oil pressure. After the oil pressure sensor, the fuel manifold pressure sensor, as you can see here, from the A4E2 ECU J2 connector. Okay, FMP sensor power supply, 5 volt FMP sensor ground and FMP sensor signal. Okay, and also coolant temperature signal, as you can see this one, and also the coolant temperature symbol sensor is the one side is joined to the intake manifold temperature sensor with the pin 37. Okay, and after that we have two more sensors, the crankshaft speed timing sensor and the fuel pump cam speed sensor, as you can see the pin 25 and pin 26. Okay, and then the pin 25 and pin 26 is going to the fuel pump solenoid. Okay, the fuel pump solenoid which is on and stop the fuel system. And then after that we have the wasp gauge return and wasp gauge pulse width modulation signal from the pin 19 and pin 17 and going to the electronic wasp gauge regulator. Okay, and finally we have the downside from the pin A18 to the pin 24. This is the diagnostic connector, pin 9 pin connector, which is used when engine diagnostic through the software or the PC or laptop. Okay, after that we move to the another connector to explain of the this is the C4.4 wiring diagram, and we already explained the C6.6. okay, all are the same but on little different. C6.6 is 4 injector and C6.6 is have 6 injector and C4.4 have 4 injector, but remain diagram is same. Okay, and this is the complete main block diagram of the sensor and solenoid indications mentioned with okay, as you can see there we have a typical customer installation component diagram. As you can see, glow plug and pulse width modulation throttle, analog throttle with the IVS and air filter restriction switch, coolant temperature switch. This is all connected with the customer another connector. So let me explain the another connector of the this is the A4E2 ECU J1 connector. Okay, as you can see J1 connector upper side, as you can see 7, 8 and 15 and 16, this is all the positive. Okay, this all positive is going through the fuse out, as you can see note 7, and then fuse is going to directly connect it with the battery. Okay, and the another side from the battery negative is coming to the, as you can see this 4 pin 1, 2, 3 and 9, 10. This is the battery negative input. The upper side is battery positive input, and the lower side from 1 to 10, this is the negative input. And pin 40 is out to the ignition key switch. As you can see we have fuse, and then some return to the stop lamp, warning lamp and cold start lamp and low pressure lamp optional. Okay, as you can see, and one side is going throughout the fuse and then going to the ignition key start and going to the start terminal. Okay, when we rotate the ignition key to the start position, this point is connected with this, and then this is jump to with this and this, then out going to this. Okay, as you can see this is going to this, and finally we have the glow plugs and glow plug relay is activated and turning on the glow plug before the starting. Okay, and the downside we have from pin 43, 53 and 33, this is the pulse width modulation throttle sensor. Okay, and this is the another section of the J1 connector completely explained in this video. Okay, how the starting circuit is work, let me explain little bit that. From pin 40, this is going to the ignition key switch with the positive connected. Okay, when we try to start the engine, this point is connected with this starter motor, as you can see magnetic switch, and then connected to going to this side, and then this is transfer the signal to the starter motor S terminal. Okay, and the starter motor is turning on and cranking the engine over and start. First of all initialize the glow plugs and then for few seconds and then crank the engine. Okay, this is the complete detail of the this. Okay, this is the OEM connector of the J1 connector 4.4. Okay, and the upper side, as you can see, can negative, positive, can shield, and CDL negative and CDL positive. This is, we need to connect 120 ohm resistor between these 2 points. This is the terminating resistor. Okay, and the remain diagram is same with the 6.6 and 4.4. Okay, as you can see, this is all the complete wiring diagram of the C6.4. So if you have further any question, if you require this wiring diagram, please write comment below in comment section, and or Gmail me to my Gmail. I will send you the complete this wiring diagram. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye.